Who needs a tree? Sissy is the human hammock swing. Oh my goodness. Is Sissy a good swing, Kaden? Don't break her, you know she's a little wimpy. Again. Hey, this is your new exercise program. Oh my.
I'm putting that in your pocket.
Okay, thank you, Christian. Is it your turn?
Oh no. It's my turn.
Okay, be careful, don't break it.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta get out, little turd.
Is it my turn? Is it my turn?
Yeah, it is, but you gotta tell your brother to get out. Okay, Kaden, it's his turn. It's Christian's turn. Thank you. All right, Christian. Good job. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's a little bit, he's 2.5 pounds lighter.
Let me do the other one.
We're getting ready to go outside and help Daddy hang it, okay? Yeah? Yeah, I sure do. I'll get them for you, baby.